Hello friends, here on this video how you can set fingerprint on your phone. And friends, if you want to set fingerprint on your phone for the safety, before we continue this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to move on to this fingerprint. Okay, I will show you right now. Suppose you don't apply any fingerprints, you want to apply fingerprints, then scroll on the down, tap on biometrics and password, click on fingerprint ID. You no need to confirm the password. I have to confirm my password because I have set up 2 fingerprint. So here click on new fingerprint. I have to tap on new fingerprint, but for you only fingerprint. Okay, I have click on new fingerprint and click on add fingerprint, then scan your hand. It says this fingerprint is already okay, that's why I'll scan another fingerprint. You just tap on this screen like this. As this red mark shows. Okay, keep scanning and now tap on OK. So I have set up fingerprint 3 also, even you can set after 5, I think so, new fingerprint. Okay, this is how you can apply fingerprint lock on your phone or in any devices. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.